Hello everyone and welcome to Lexus of Edmonton located on 170th Street. Today we have this 2018 Lexus LC 500 Hybrid standard package in the color Nightfall Mica. This is an automatic rear-wheel drive coupe with a 3.5-liter V6 electric and gas engine. You have your LED headlamps and your 21-inch alloy wheels. Headed to the driver's side, you have your mirror-mounted turn signals, carbon fiber roof, and keyless entry. On your door panel, you have memory seating, auto mirror, window, and lock buttons, as well as an automated 8-way driver's seat in the suede and black leather. Beside your wheel, you have a hatch and gas button. On your steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth, cruise control, paddle shifters, and you can also find your vehicle's maintenance information here. On the right side of your steering wheel, you have a mode selector and also a multi-way display screen that can be controlled with your touchpad. Here, you can find multiple car options and your navigation. Moving down, we have your dual climate control, a hidden cup holder, radio controls, touchpad, and your armrest storage compartment. On your headliner, you have an auto rear view dimming mirror and touch lights. Back trunk can be opened with your key fob. You have your backup camera. You have a hidden spare tire, as well as your battery